Munini wa president ula Unang'uthulilwe Mbunge Kuma Kivilani Rigathi Gachagua Niwalumiliilya Ndena Muikiio na Usili wa Kikalo cha Asili Atatu alama Makoani Kila Kiendeeye Kwithukiisya Ikoani Yake thini wa cikalo cia umuthi mawakili ani malumiliilya nimeyumbanitie kwikia avilo kuleana na utio wa bench Kiendeeye na mbere na kutangasa kwithukiisya Ikoani ino nginya muthia Benjamin Mwaka ena mavombe yange.
Muthanani wa kero wa kunananisya maunungunisyo ma Gachagua gukonya kwithukiwa kwa Ikoani thi aliko skatani niona nyothatu mwingi na Asili Atatu ma Makoani Kuweta oyu vaina Muikiio na Munini na Usili na muno kumana na utio wa kwiyo vala manavakiendaga na kuvuthisya uthukumi wa mawakili ngalikoni skatani.
We were not treated fairly. We were accused, we are playing to the gallery as a result of the accusations and indictment that we are playing to the gallery. What effectively ended up being glossed over is the question of our own submissions. And my Lord, the basis and therefore the accusation, and we are saying we were not treated in a temperate and judicious manner. The petitioners and their advocates.
If at this time we have some people who feel very strongly in the camp because they may not get justice before you are told, please walk out. Don't continue to get accused. And indeed the people who are saying that your lordships or my lady should not hear this case, when they are speaking, you cannot really criticize them. They have got some valid complaints.
So for that reason alone, please accede to recusing yourselves so that another bench can be set up to adjudicate those issues. I thank you.
Every party, and we have very many cases here. If somebody was drinking in a bar says, no, you are going to lose that case before the persons will appear in the court, that, my Lord, is a party. Parties are not lawyers, are not supposed to be sophisticated. That party will be left certainly with a huge problem as to whether actual justice is possible.
Ndena Muikiio wa Asili Atatu ma Makoani kwi umuthi ni makulya Gachagua elesi itumisi yake nikiukulea na benchi pala malumiliilya umwe wone munyanya wa speaker wa Mbunge Senate Jeff Amason Kingi bomwe na ukusi ungi huweta vena umwe wa munyanya wa Profesa Kindiki ukusi hula koti ya weta iyo vetanga onethani wa uvungu.
We would be satisfied if you read them even verbatim so that the world knows that these are your complaints against the bench.
It reads as follows: whereas I was not aware of the relationship between the Honorable Justice Murima, who is among the three judges in this matter, and the fourth respondent, that is Kingi, it has been brought to my attention that the Honorable Judge and the fourth respondent, Speaker of the Senate, are very close friends as demonstrated as here under. 1. The respondent attended the wedding ceremony of the judge and they took a photograph with him. In a post on social media, he indicated
that this is an area where we have also to protect the judiciary and the judges and the magistrates and judicial officers. I'm not very sure that we should have an in-depth account of what really what is concerned.
Children, they have independent professional, and I am shocked that that can be a ground.
The petitioners have credible information that Honorable Murima is a close associate to the proposed deputy president, one Mr. Kindiki, and that the said judge failed, refused, or neglected to disclose those facts to the parties at the inception. And that's why I'm expanding it. That's why I'm expanding this paragraph. That is what my client said.
We have no objection to anything being expunged, subject to the court observing that if this witness has lied about these two issues, what else has he lied about?
But we decline the invitation to expunge those paragraphs. They will remain as part of the record.
Kuyanana na Gachagua ni kana Ikoani thithi na uito munene na Asili Atatu ni mailembe kukunikila uito wayo na kuweka kutanithia utena nyono mwa kunenga uthei serikali mwana wa kwavithia munini mwe wa President Professor Kithure Kindiki thiweto nyuvi wake wina makulyo maingi muno ma kimiao na kikatiba.
But the core issue in our petitions, a number of them when it comes, would be the question: does the IEBC have the power to have authorized the president to say that he did it? I'm saying it is in our petition. The question that would be arising is whether the IEBC without commissioners could have declared Honorable Kindiki to be suitable for this nomination in the letter they did to the president.
Your brother, Mr. Justice Chacha Muikiio, your brother, Mr. Justice Mugambi, your brother, Mr. Justice Mwongo, sitting separately, each one of them was persuaded that the petitions and the notices of motion asking for conservatory orders raised weighty constitutional issues. Those weighty issues await full arguments by both sides for the court to resolve.
Vilingwa mauvu kuma vamusi ni lovi nyanito Benjamin Mwaka.